In the previous module, we discussed the invitation to change, a holistic framework for helping that is based on science and kindness. In that video, we discussed the first part of the invitation to change, helping with understanding. Now we'll talk about the next part, helping with awareness. There are 3 key concepts when it comes to helping with awareness. In this video, we'll talk about the first one, the value of increasing your self-awareness as you try to help your child. In the next video, we'll discuss how willingness and self-compassion can help you take care of yourself. Helping with self-awareness starts with asking yourself the following important questions. How am I feeling, thinking, and reacting? And am I being the person I want to be? The first question is an opportunity to step back and consider how you are doing as you try to help. Helping your child with their relationship with substances will likely include scary, disappointing, and sometimes maddening moments. Unfortunately, when you get caught in these strong emotions, you may react in ways that make behavior change less likely for your child. Additionally, you may lose track of yourself and end up neglecting your other responsibilities, relationships, and even your physical well-being. By noticing your feelings, thoughts, and reactions, you can start to respond intentionally rather than reacting to the day's most pressing issue or intense emotion. Practicing self-awareness invites you to make a mental shift. Rather than focusing solely on your child's behavior, it allows you to monitor how you are doing. This allows you to identify what you need as you try to learn new skills and help your child make positive changes. For example, you might become aware that you tend to lose your cool when you're sleep deprived and then choose to prioritize getting more sleep in response. Or you might notice that your other relationships are suffering and then take steps to nourish them. Self-awareness helps you take better care of yourself while also helping you be more effective as you help your child. The second question, am I being the person I want to be, is meant to help you stay true to your values, which are the things that matter most deeply to you as a person, family member, and helper. Once you're in touch with your values, you can use them to guide your decision-making. You can make choices that align with the things that are most important to you. And these choices can help you show up as the person you want to be, even though you're having pain and difficult emotions. When you combine the awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and reactions with the awareness of your values, you'll be more likely to hit the pause button when you need to. For example, with self-awareness, you know that going into a conversation hot-headed causes you to fail to listen and say things you regret. If you also value collaboration and connection, you might choose to walk away and cool off before the conversation becomes unhelpful or even destructive. This will improve the odds you can solve the problem at hand while staying connected to your child. In the next video on helping with awareness, you'll learn about willingness and self-compassion.